What's going on, guys? I'm going to a no heat call right now at this house. I don't know what kind of system it is. Boiler, furnace, gas, oil, electric, heat pump. I don't know what it is. Well, let's check it out. Hot as hell. Okay, let's throw this thermometer in. Give it a second. This right here is the second floor that apparently is not getting hot. So I have it open, we're calling for heat, and I'm already up to 112. Wow, yeah, we're getting heat. So it's not going to be a boiler issue or a circulator issue. We're going to check the filter, and we're going to check the damper to make sure it's opening. And I'll check airflow downstairs as well. Not even letting it max out, 122 right now. So let me check my filter. Yeah, I'd say so. Pretty crusty. Close that up. Place the filter. And let me go check airflow. Like night and day. It's night and day difference with the filter that was so plugged. You could actually hear the air right now. You said we had 118 before?
Yeah.
Okay. 123.8, 124.3, 25.6.
Low 60.
Yeah, low 60s. Couldn't keep up. And then...
We couldn't get... But I would think even with a clogged filter, we would have gotten something. So I guess...
Well, we had 7 degrees that day.
Right.
Clogged filter. You and I checked. I had 118 with the plugged filter. I come to pull the filter. You have 129. I didn't even max it out.
Right.
Probably 135, 140.
Right. So that probably explains why we didn't get below 58, but we couldn't get above 50.
The thermostat, I don't know how low the thermostat. Yeah, no, the thermostat should read to 50, I think.
Right.
Least.
Yeah.
It reads low.
Right.
So I don't know the exact number. Don't quote me on it. But you couldn't get above 58, basically. It wasn't even below. You couldn't get above it.
So the key rooms were not going above.
Stamper. I know I have airflow, but I'm going to pull it and make sure I have airflow. But yeah, this thing's heating fine now because the filter was plugged. Now I'm going to shut the thermostat and watch this actuate closed. Let me run downstairs. Stop the call for heat. I don't like that number, 65. There you go. Let's see. Normally open, so I have to go to the downstairs thermostat, which is zone 2, and call for heat, so then the one that I'm working with actually closes. So he's gonna put a call for heat. for this zone 1, and then zone 2 should close because, like I said, they're normally open. So right now they're on open, but when another one calls, this should close. Got our call. And then because this floor is not calling, it's going to close. But in a perfect world, they're both normally open when both are not calling. So there you go. Because this is the one we turned off before. I just had the homeowner turn that one off, and then this fan should kick on. And then I'll throw some silver tape around to clean it up. So I had to cut into it to pull it. And this should be on top of the zone. I hate when people leave these off too. It's irritating. $72 in here. Guys, thank you for watching. So basically that was a no heat call. So they had heat. They had no heat last week when it was 7 degrees out. And they called us, we came out, and it was I was getting 118 degrees but no airflow today at the air handler, and those ceilings are like 14 feet high. They were, well, I'd say about 12 feet high. So I was on an 8-foot ladder and it was high up. So 12-foot ceilings, let's say, if that's even a real height. And then as soon as I pulled that filter, boom, 130 plus degrees. And then I went through and checked the zone dampers to make sure they were opening and closing, and they were. So it was, like I said, it was kind of a nuisance call. Maybe they should have done their maintenance. I'm not sure. But Happy New Year, guys. Today's the 30th of December. And tomorrow's Saturday. So Happy New Year. Be safe. Be healthy. Enjoy your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.